we'll guide you through how to change the white cursor in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs on your desktop and head to the document where you want to change the cursor. To customize the cursor, you need to tweak some settings in your operating system since Google Docs itself doesn't have a built-in feature to change the cursor color. If you're using Windows 11, start by opening the Settings app. You can do this quickly by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. Once you're there, click on Accessibility from the left-hand menu. In the Accessibility section, find and click on Mouse Pointer and Touch. Here, you can change the size and color of your mouse pointer. You'll see options for different colors, including a black cursor, which might give you better visibility against the white background of Google Docs. Choose the color that works best for you by clicking on it. If you want a custom color, click on the plus sign and pick a color from the palette. Once you've selected your preferred color, simply close the settings window. Now, when you go back to Google Docs, you'll notice your cursor color has changed, making it easier to spot while editing your document. This method is especially helpful if you find the default white cursor hard to see. Keep in mind that these changes apply system-wide, so your new cursor color will appear in other applications as well. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.